How to add VPN in Chrome Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add VPN in Chrome or VPN extension on your Chrome browser. So the next thing to do after you open up the Chrome browser like this, go to this three dots. So go to this extension, visit Chrome Web Store. From this option, click on the search and type in VPN. After you type VPN, press enter. Now select this first one, free VPN for Chrome, VPN proxy VPN. So click on this. So here is the icon. Click on this add to Chrome. So now the VPN has been added inside my Chrome browser. So the next thing to do, now click on this option, the VPN site, extension site. So now pin the VPN. Now here is it. So the next thing to do, now click on the VPN. Go to continue, start, continue with pre. So now go to new tab. After you open new tab, now click on this VPN. So from this option, now click on this to select a location. I'll select UK. After you select the location, click on this turn on. So as you can see, now my VPN has started working. Here is it. So that's it guys on how to add VPN extension in Chrome. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.